welcome back to my YouTube channel. Meet with me again with It Cute, yeah. I hope you not bored see my face, my ugly face, yeah. And this I want to make video reaction from rapper Kurdis, yeah, Serif Omeri. So how this song I don't know. Let's start we watching. But you know I like with rapper. I like with rapper and hip hop song. You can give me rapper or hip hop song from Kurdis, okay? I waiting for that, okay? You comment. But because I don't know what rapper from Kurdis and hip hop from Kurdis, I don't know. So you must give me that, okay? You comment. Okay guys, let's start rewatching. Oh. Wow. Amazing. Oh. So cool ya Serif Omeri. I just know the back. Hazabit. You know, I just know kerbak and just that I know kerbak. Good song, yeah. I like. Serif Omeri is so cool. I like. You have rapper from Kurdis so cool and amazing. I like Serif Omeri. So I want to make video reaction again from Serif Omeri. Okay, don't forget you subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the bell so you get my notif. So thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget you subscribe, like, and you share to your friend my video. Okay, Indonesian people reaction to Kurdish music, wow. And she is like with Kurdish music. And you have, I want to ask, you have movie from Kurdish horror, because I like horror. You can give me in comment, okay? I waiting for that. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum. Kedebak 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 ke.